In this practice, you will create a custom workspace and note the effect of switching workspaces. Start a new drawing based on the default AutoCAD template. In the status bar, expand Workspace and select 3D Modeling. Switch back to the Drafting and Annotation workspace. Note the differences between the two workspaces. Toggle the ribbon display to minimize the panel buttons. Arrange the palettes in the drawing area by docking and auto-hiding them. Open the Layers Property Manager and anchor it to the right. Right-click in the title bar of the Layer Properties Manager and select Icons Only. In the status bar, select Workspace and select Save Current As. Type My 2D Workspace and click Save. The new workspace becomes current. Switch to the 3D model space. What are the differences? Finish by selecting the default Drafting Annotation workspace. Close the file. Do not save it. The workspace is still available to use in other drawing files.